None of us like to hear about job losses, especially when they hit close to home. The impact of losing a job goes beyond just the individual. It affects families, communities, and the broader economy. Unfortunately, Australia's manufacturing sector has been hit hard over the past few decades. Once a thriving industry, it now faces numerous challenges that have led to a significant decline. Let's unpack why this is happening. Australia, once a manufacturing powerhouse, is now grappling with a serious decline in this sector. The reasons are multifaceted and complex, involving both domestic and international factors. So, what happened? First up, global competition. The rise of manufacturing giants like China and Vietnam has reshaped the global landscape. These countries offer significantly lower labor costs, making it tough for Australian manufacturers to compete on price. In China and Vietnam, the cost of labor is a fraction of what it is in Australia. This disparity makes it difficult for Australian companies to produce goods at a competitive price point. As a result, many Australian manufacturers have either shut down or moved their production overseas to cut costs and stay competitive in the global market. Then there's the high cost of labor and energy within Australia itself. Australia's strong currency, high minimum wage, and strict labor laws make profitability a challenge for local manufacturers. These factors contribute to higher production costs, which are then passed on to consumers. Add to that some of the world's highest energy costs, and you've got a real uphill battle. Energy is a significant expense for manufacturers, and high costs can erode profit margins. The social and economic impacts of this decline are huge. Factory closures lead to job losses and unemployment, stripping communities of vital skills and expertise. The loss of manufacturing jobs can have a ripple effect, leading to reduced spending in local economies and increased demand for social services. And let's not forget the loss of national sovereignty. More reliance on imports means potential supply chain disruptions and security risks. When a country becomes too dependent on foreign goods, it can face shortages and delays, especially during global crises. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are efforts underway to revive the sector. The government is rolling out tax incentives, subsidies, and training programs to jumpstart the sector. These measures aim to reduce the financial burden on manufacturers and encourage investment in local production. Innovation is bubbling up with startups and small businesses targeting niche markets. These companies are leveraging new technologies and innovative processes to carve out a space in the competitive landscape. Still, more action is needed to address the root causes of the decline. Addressing high labor and energy costs, improving education and training, and ramping up research and development are crucial steps. By investing in these areas, Australia can build a more resilient and competitive manufacturing sector. In a nutshell, Australia's manufacturing decline is a pressing issue that requires a coordinated effort from both the government and the private sector. Government and industry need to team up to support local manufacturers, create jobs, and ensure economic stability and independence. Collaboration is key to developing effective strategies and policies that can drive growth and innovation. Let's hope the future's brighter for Aussie manufacturing. With the right support and investment, the sector can overcome its challenges and thrive once again. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your interest in this important topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you next time. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you in-depth analysis and updates on critical issues.